I'd like to share a couple of new features with the Microsoft Office 365 in PowerPoint. If you click Insert, you have your basic shapes, but they also have an icon for icons. And they have different categories, and as you choose the main category, they have subcategories. So if I were to choose stickers or illustrations, I can go even further into that and select something else. And when you find something that you like, when you select it, you can click Insert, and then what happens over on the right-hand side is you get design ideas, so you can have it showing up slightly different. So those are some of the images that you could do through Insert. What also is available in the icons, which is really cool, are videos. And again, they have all types of categories to choose from, and see, I'll choose this one and then click Insert. And again, on the right hand side, you'll get where you can get a frame around it, so you'll get different options of how it'll appear. And then if you actually click play, you'll see what it's doing. So that's really cool. And then I'm going to do another slide. So in Insert, we've done the icons, which are just the pictures, different categories, and then you can go to videos and select a video, and there's a lot of categories to choose from. Also, what you have in here is what's called 3D models, and there's also, so I'm going to type in shark, and this is a 3D model, and when you select the 3D model, it allows you to move it. So you can make it larger, and then you can, with the 4 arrows, move the picture. And this is the 3D effect if you wanted to move it in a different direction. Also, what's available back in Insert, 3D models, there is animated models that are actually move, so similar to the videos. So I'm just selecting a couple just to show you what happens here. So if you wanted to, you could move them all around the screen. You can change the height and the width of them, make copies of them, and they're all animated videos that you can add to your PowerPoint. This will also work in Word as well, and Excel if you wanted. So this is all in Insert, so they have a lot of new features in here. So have fun with your PowerPoint. Thank you.